What's up? I'm John Vaughn, and thank you so much for getting started with Group Monkey. Right now, I want to give you a one-time only offer to go ahead and upgrade right now to the Group Monkey Side Hustle plan that's normally $97 a month for this low discounted price if you upgrade right now. Now, if you upgrade right now, not only will you get upgraded to this side hustle plan for the price that you see on the page, but you're also going to get an account on Friend Connector. This is a software that you're actually going to be able to use to connect with your group members and add them to your friends list, or to connect with other people in other groups or pretty much anywhere on Facebook and get them on your friends list so that you can then funnel them into your actual group. You're going to get access to post profits, and this is a software that's actually going to allow you to drive your group growth and drive sales and revenue from your Facebook post, whether they're on your personal profile and you're driving people into your group, or whether they're in your group and you're driving people to your funnel to make sales. You're also going to get access to Post Scheduler. This is going to allow you to actually pre-schedule your Facebook post to your personal profile or to your Facebook groups that you admin or that you're just a member from, that you can then actually funnel those people into your group and into your funnel and into your sales process and convert them into customers. You're also going to get access to Evan, which is the one and only chatbot autoresponder for your personal Facebook Messenger, which will allow you to actually drive sales and drive group growth through Messenger itself by automatically replying to people with your Facebook Messenger chatbot on your personal profile. So you're going to get all of this. So again, you're going to get upgraded to this side hustle plan, this $97 a month plan. You're going to get access to Friend Connector. You're going to get access to Post Profits. You're going to get access to Post Scheduler. You're going to get access to Evan. You're literally going to get access to the entire software suite that you need to drive your group's growth and drive sales and revenue from your group's growth if you go ahead and upgrade right now for the very low discounted fee that you see on the page right now. Now keep in mind, you don't have to take this offer and you don't have to upgrade right now. You can come back and upgrade anytime and pay the $97 a month whenever you're ready. If you're not ready to upgrade right now, you can come back and you can upgrade at any time for the full $97 a month. And whenever you want to get started with Friend Connector, you can go out and just sign up for that, or you can sign up for Post Profits or Post Scheduler or Evan, or you can sign up for all of them. However, if you take this offer right here, you're going to save at least $170 per month. So you're going to get upgraded to the side hustle plan on Group Monkey, and you're also going to get Friend Connector, you're going to get Post Profits, you're going to get Post Scheduler, and you're going to get Evan, all included for this one fee if you upgrade right now.